Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 12th June 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 11.5 points of down move at the level of 11,969.5, and US markets have done pretty okay for itself, not bad. 14 points down on DowJones, 0.6 points down on Nasdaq, 1 point down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green to flat in today's pre-open and open session. So what is Indian markets denoting today? The supports and resistances, what is slow stochastic, fast stochastic and MACD denoting, all those are what we will be looking in today's session. Fast stochastic is at 71, slow stochastic is at 63, which denotes that we are not in the overbought zone or oversold zone. We have one more doji which is formed yesterday. However, yesterday's closure was a higher closure than the previous days. So that is a good sign. That is a great sign that 11,771 is a very strong support for the market, and the market is here to rise. So that being said, let's see what is MACD suggesting. MACD is showing that the momentum has died, or momentum is dying. It is a bit positive, however it is not showing that we are going upwards anyways. So what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for? The first support being 11,930 levels, and the second support is at 11,900, and the third support is at 11,875 levels, and the 11,864 levels, 11,850 levels, 11,826 levels, and 11,800 levels, 11,771 levels are the levels of support we have to watch out for. What are the resistances we have to watch out for? We have not much of resistances, however we do. So as of now, the 12,000 mark itself is a very strong resistance for the market. Yesterday market touched exactly 12,000 and came down all the way to the bottom, and it closed around the level of 11,966 levels. So the 12,000 level is a first resistance. If that is barred, the level of 12,041 is the next level of resistance. The next level of resistance comes at 12,095 levels, and 12,100 levels being the all-time high are the resistances we have to watch out for. So that's the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes your money on a daily basis, plus one strategy which is making about 50% to 100% return in just one trade on the days of expiry. So that being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.